what's up? Today I'm gonna show you one abundant residential area, abundant estate, which is this one in Uluwatu with the beautiful view of the GWK over there. This residential area actually is abandoned, was never finished in 100%. It's in the heart of Uluwatu. It's actually quite many places like this one, but this one is the biggest one and with the best view of the GWK in the background.
Very cold, you hold me, try to melt my soul, makes it harder to say goodbye. Your whirling hair and tender eyes makes me feel as cold as ice. Anyway, I say goodbye. In my dreams times are changing, this is the end of everything, but it's hard to say goodbye.
Alright, just arrived. I just noticed a few things, by the way. This is my bike on the middle of nowhere, and behind me is the GWK. This is only about approximately 500 meters from this place where I'm now, about 1.2 kilometers from the main road. So you can fly drone actually over the GWK starting from here, or residential area somewhere there on the road. If you have a good drone, at least DJI Mavic Pro or newer one, maybe not really recommended by Air. Actually the new Air should be fine, but not really recommended by DJI Mavic Mini because the signal maybe not the best. Anyway, I'm here on the middle of nowhere. Residential area is just behind me. GWK is over here. I will go to explore GWK in the next few days. About the drone, what I'm saying, this is because of if you want to fly about the GWK, you have to get a permission. Usually they don't want to give you the permission. However, I will try to get one day officially, but for many reasons they just don't really willing to give you the permission to fly drone. However, from this place, this is just 500 meters, you can have any snaps if you want, and nobody will ever find you here. Not many people know about this place, and the wall of GWK is actually over here, so this land already don't belongs to GWK. However, this is only the tip. I never fly over GWK, so I'm fine, okay? You do it by your own responsibility if you wanna do so.
In my dreams, we were meant to be, but everything feels wrong. Just doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right.
This is how it looks, residential area, a little bit roughly. I mean, this is GWK and this is the small gang road. This is here supposed to be estates, and everywhere here and here supposed to be houses or villas or something like this. At least that was the plans. One thing what I know is only this beautiful view overlooking the GWK, and on the camera it looks far, but it's actually very close, and you can see the statue very clearly from here. And yeah, no even houses here. Some little houses over here, like skeletons only, like a few houses. and that's it. So, and the road, everything looks over here very old, maybe 1980s, 1990s. Basically the GWK started construction in 1993 and they just finished 2 years ago in 2018. So I think as this residential area supposed to be before that or at the same time, probably the idea was as there will be fancy residential area with the fancy houses overlooking into the the statue of GWK. However, because of the current economical crisis in 1990s, GWK was postponed construction and probably the residential area over here also, and we just have a road here and empty land, and it's quite a lot of land over here. Unfortunately, I don't know much more about this residential area. It's quite difficult to find any kind of information. Local people, they don't know or they don't want to talk about that. So yeah, maybe you know something about that. Maybe you been here, you know the area over here. Comment below. I'm very curious about the places like this. You know that. One thing what I wanna say only about the Uluwatu area. This area is everywhere around. It's actually quite many residential areas, and like you can see still from here over here there are some white houses. They are actually kinda new houses, maximum 5 years old, but also on the opposite way of the road is the nice residential area with houses, but abandoned houses, but they are already finished. It's for sale actually. You can buy the full residential area, I think. And yeah, that's how it looks like. The only one thing what else I can say is it's changed quite a lot. I mean, the access to this place is changed quite a lot because now it's some people around. When I was here first time, that was about 2.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. The roads is two access here, one road from the main gate where is the statue, I will show you, and then one over this just next to this wall behind. That was the close, and sometimes there was security, sometimes not, but definitely was closed, and the only access was by the bumpy roads what I actually enter here where to show video at the beginning. So yeah, I will show you now the other side of the residential area.
I've tried to see all different kinds of paths, but guess I must be blind. At last we say goodbye.
Quite many people driving here on the motocross right now also, so sorry for the loud sound. However, the houses over here, they only are these ones and these ones, which is very old. Obviously they are not finished, but if I could date this, it's 1980s, maximum 1990s, so very old residential area. Yeah, unfortunately, like I said before, I have no idea what's happened here, but I can guess, as like many other places in Uluwatu, this is because of the economical crisis in 1990s. Was loads of ideas, loads of plans, but unfortunately loads of things got postponed. Also is this place, I choose today this place because it's with the view of the GWK. However, New Kuta Golf also is the similar story. Actually, we made a vlog about New Kuta area. However, I will make more about the abandoned hotels there and many malls. Also the planes. Let me know, comment below if you would like to see abandoned planes. It's actually quite difficult nowadays to get there because of mostly the owners rent the security and they not allow people to come to make pictures and videos. However, I think it could be anyway possible if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna go to the beginning of the residential area. Over here is the main temple. Obviously everything in Bali have to have temple, and that was the main entrance, big temple. And also some statues over here I will show you, and also some fellas will drive the motocross and race cafe bikes over there.
In my dreams, we were meant to be, but everything feels wrong. Just doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right. Just doesn't feel right.
also here next to the temple, I think supposed to be a kind of fountain, not swimming pool but fountain or something like this. Let's use the bench. Yeah, so that's how it looks, the entrance to this place, and over here is some also not finished construction, and I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be a reception lobby, something like this. Also this here is destroyed by the people who driving the motocross. I think it's actually quite a good place for them to drive like this, nice rocky roads, and however it's abandoned for millions years, so I think nobody have any problems with that, better than they racing on the streets, right? I wanna go climb a little bit on the top of this, maybe it will be nice view. Yeah, I hope so. But I have to be very careful. Of course I took sandals, like everywhere in Bali you walk with sandals, right? But check this out, this road, it's very old already. Yes, you can see here supposed to be a reception lobby for 100%, and here when I'm standing now supposed to be a parking area, or at least like a roundabout, kind of like this. Still is the construction over here, I mean the bamboo, I forgot the word how it's called, but every construction guy know what you know what I mean, right? Well, I'm not gonna climb over there because I'm not there that not brave enough. However, to this one or to this one I will climb now. We will see. Also no snakes over here. I hate snakes, that's why it's the reason why I'm not going yet to Padang Galak Abandoned Amusement Park. Many people asking for that actually, but I will go there one day for sure. Alright, I'm now in the building. So funny, this one bamboo stick holding this one. No, it's already concrete. This actually looks very solid. I wanted to climb up, however this is like a little bit difficult to climb up. Okay, I will trespass this, but trying to don't touch anything. And yes, I passed this, and that's how it looks, reception. This construction is really old, really abandoned, and they abandoned that very quickly as nobody even take anything from here. Check this out, this concrete pole is so solid, but after that they just left on the middle of the construction. It's like yesterday was like 100 people work here, 1,000, and then next day nobody come to work, something like this. That looks like this, and that was the early stage of the construction over here, as you see. And one thing what I just noticed is normally when you're coming to the abandoned places like this is a lot of like a graffiti or any other stuff like this, you know what I mean? But here is clear, it's like totally clean, it's nothing, it's like no signs and anyone step on this thing since many years. Actually, it's really like abandoned yesterday, but it's abandoned for many years. Check out this. This looks like a bamboo forest. It's quite weird construction technique. I don't know if they do like this, or that was like 40 years ago that was the technique like this, or it's like old already. However, yeah, that's how it looks over here. Okay, I'm trying to get away from this place down, and this is the wall, actually the border from the land. So here definitely supposed to be lobby or reception, something like that. And here also how they make it. So that was the stones. So they used the stones for the construction, and they wanted to build residential area on the land. It's exactly the same way how they built GWK. But about the GWK will be on the different occasion. Alright, so alright, so that's how it looks. Abandoned, not ready yet residential area without name in Uluwatu, close to GWK. Comment below if you know something about this place. I'm very curious about stuff like this. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog, little bit different. I'm trying to show you as much as possible from Bali and something different. I can't show you every single day about the Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Sanur. I hope so you still enjoyed. If you like this video and you are new coming for the channel, consider to subscribe due to we doing the daily vlogs every single day, 4 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. So this is about dinner time in Australia, morning time in Europe, at the Serra. Okay, yeah, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow, something new. Like always, see ya, take care guys.